I blindfolded my mom to taste test her palate.
Can you hear me?
Let's see how good she is.
I want to give her a bit of ketchup. Oh.
Some jam, spicy jam,
There's no way that's spicy.
apple jam,
No, it's ketchup. Spicy? How's it spicy?
spicy little bit.
No, it's not. Spicy peanuts.
My favorite nut, I win.
Okay, at this point she said I win, but I thought she said almond, so I didn't catch that.
I win.
Is that your final
My
answer?
favorite nut, peanut.
Wait, what?
I win.
Wait. Is it almond or
It's
peanut?
spicy. Almond, but my favorite.
Choose one.
Almond.
No, it's peanut.
See, I use a pin. No.
Why don't you said almond?
No, you cheat.
Whipped cream.
Sweet. I don't know. Some hints there though.
It comes from a cow. I think that's too obvious, maybe.
Cheese.
Cheese. Maybe she's thinking of cheese foam.
White cheese.
No, it's a whipped cream. Honeydew or cantaloupe. Same thing.
Oh, harbuza.
Is harbuza watermelon or is that cantaloupe? What's that in English? Do you mean watermelon?
No. Watermelon different.
Okay, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pickled radish.
Achar.
It is pickled.
Carrot achar.
It's achar, but it's not carrot.
Mango.
Mooli. I'll give her half point for that. Biscoff spread.
Biscuit.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, Biscoff spread. Second. You got it wrong.
No, I say first peanut.
No, you first said almond.
No, beta.
I have the recording.
First I say peanut, you say no. Think. Almond.
I have it on recording. I'll show
Okay.
you.
Give some.